Hi everyone, welcome to week 9. So this week we are going to learn something about cyberbullying, which is one of the hottest topics in this digital world. And this week we have 6 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this introduction video, and the second one is to read the paragraphs of the brief introduction of this week's topic. So this is the link to the Cyberbullying Research Center. So you can find a lot of research articles and a lot of news about cyberbullying in this website. So this is a really great place for you to learn something about cyberbullying. And I provide 2 videos this week. The first one is from CBS News called Cyber Psychology. And the second one is from the Waymo. It's called the Faceless Crowd. So those 2 videos are really great. So please watch them carefully. And the reading assignment this week, the reading article is from the Cyberbullying Research Center. It can help you learn how to identify cyberbullying, how to prevent cyberbullying. So this article is not only for us to read, but also you can share it to other parents, other instructors. So I think this is a really great article. So for the discussion activity, so there is only one part. So you need to share 2 paragraphs. So the first one is 1 paragraph for the reading and the videos this week. So you need to share the reflection for the reading and the videos. And the second one is to answer those 3 guiding questions. So you can use this link to share your reflection this week. So that's all for week 9. If you have any question for this week's content, please send an email to me. So I hope everyone stay healthy and see you next week. Bye.